Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Today we are drawing a very colorful and beautiful peacock using acrylic pens. So first of all we have to highlight the outline of the peacock using blue marker, and this is a watercolor marker. So you are also supposed to start this. It's super easy. Now we are drawing the tail part. So it is divided into 7 parts, 3 on one side, 3 on another side, and 1 in the front behind his head. So this is a very beautiful peacock. We will give the dark blue color to the front and different colors, so it will be a colorful peacock. Don't go anywhere, watch complete video and you can do the same practice. Now cute legs of the peacock. Have you seen a peacock in a zoo, or do you have seen it somewhere? I really like peacocks. Wow, this is super cute, awesome. Yes, this is blue color, dark blue color. Now we are coloring dark blue color to the front. If you like another color, so you can, but mostly the peacocks have a very beautiful dark blue color. Now coloring the head portion, we will color yellow to the beak, and as well as now we are coloring yellow to one of his tail part. This is acrylic color. You can use watercolor as well. Now this is olive green color. If you want, you can just repeatedly use any two colors like red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow, or you can just change on your choice. Wow, so cute looking peacock. The peacock is dancing. Now we are using red color. These colors are a bit harder, so that's why you have to make it smooth by using the brush, and if you put more water, so it will be a bit easier to cover the area. So satisfying. And now we are going to another one, red color, and now that is dark green color. So this will be done with more care because here is also the head portion. So I have just skipped some of the video, but it is super easy, and it is looking a bit darker green and some light shiny green. You can do it by yourself, super easy. Yes, adding some more dark green color. I want to show some strips in this. The strips are actually the wings. And now we are moving to the yellow color again. So this is yellow color. And now the last one with another olive green color and some mix of yellow. So I just mixed two different colors to make it different in looking. Although the real peacock don't have such colors, but it is just for fun. Now we are making some strips and even more on the front one. Hope you will like it. If you like it, so you also do the same practice. And if you are new here, subscribe our channel for more such videos. There are so many videos in the channel, you can visit there. And if you are already our subscriber, so thanks a million time for staying with us. We will come up with some more good ideas and more designs and educational videos, so stay here. Thanks for watching.